is my buddy Ghost. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome if you are new. We are glad to have you. We love to have new people around these parts. My name is Leandra. All of my socials are Lion of Stone, and it is officially October. It's been October for quite a while now at the time that this video comes out, because I actually missed the first week of October because I ran out of time to do any of the things that I wanted to do, so I didn't do them because I'm a chronic procrastinator and my brain monkey wants to watch Jane the Virgin. Anyway, it's October, which means that everything is Halloween. There's Halloween stuff in the shops. Not really, because I live in England and Halloween's not like a huge thing here, but you know, in my mind, there's Halloween stuff in the shops. There is Halloween movies playing, there's Halloween ads, all of the fun people on YouTube are doing Halloween themed stuff. I'm having a great time, and most importantly, out of all of those things, my Pinterest has been popping with Halloween ideas and Halloween things because Pinterest knows me and Pinterest knows how I feel about Halloween. So I keep getting recommendations, right? And one of those things was Halloween cookies. And I thought, you know what, I can do that. But instead of following the Pinterest recipe, no, I'm gonna do you one better and I'm gonna follow my mom's recipes, because those are the only recipes that I follow, are the ones that she has already made. So I'm going to be going into this book here and find this recipe here, and it is for chewy double chocolate cookies. This makes 4.5 dozen. We're gonna make double chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna dye them black. We're going to use orange M&Ms in them, and yellow and brown, because I couldn't find a bag that was just orange. I was gonna use orange Smarties because you can get bags of orange Smarties that like taste like orange, and I was like, that'd be amazing. But then I couldn't find them, so then I bought some bags of M&Ms and picked through them to find orange ones, and realized that there was no way I was gonna get enough orange ones from those bags of M&Ms, so I also added the yellow and brown ones. That was more information than you needed. Anyway, point is, we're gonna be making these, we're gonna be dyeing them black so that they're like black, and then they've got orange and yellow and like fun Halloween colors, and I'm very excited. And I've never made this recipe before, so we'll see how it goes. Also, that is a lot of cookies. Let's just do it. Let's just get right into it. I've already preheated the oven. It is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so 180 degrees Celsius. I'm using a fan oven, so mine is done in Celsius because I live in England. All right, let's get into this. So first of all, I need First up, I need 2.5 cups of butter. No, not even. 2/3 of a cup butter is what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna do that in this green bowl. I used green and orange because they were the most Halloween ones that I had. And look, Ma, I'm using real butter. See, the thing is, I almost always use margarine because it's easier to measure. And every time I do, my mom says to me, use real butter. It's so much better. So here I am using real butter, and I'm gonna suck at measuring it. And it's not gonna go well. But hey, that's the point of Come Cook With Me. I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to bake. I'm learning, I'm trying. I've learned how to make a couple of bits, a couple of things, and I'm still just making it up as I go. And you can all laugh at me when I don't know what I'm doing, which is always. Not just in cooking, just like in life in general. Butter and sugar. Why did I grab flour instead of sugar? No, flour is there's supposed to be flour in this. Why did I not grab sugar? Sugar. And then we're gonna cream those together. I'm just gonna use a wooden spoon. I feel like there's probably a better way to do this. This is not Halloween themed at all, but every time I use a wooden spoon in a plastic bowl like this, I think of in Muppet Family Christmas when the Sesame Street gang is putting on their Christmas play of 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, and Grover comes out and he's got mouse ears on and he's holding a bowl like this, and he says, "To show that I am not stirring, see how my hand never touches the spoon." That's what I think every time. So, you know, that's a little peek into my head. Yeah, I feel like that's light and fluffy. Right, add eggs and vanilla. So I'm adding 1 egg because it's half the recipe. Ah, no. Got a little shell in there. It's fine, I also got it out. Vanilla, I need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And now it says to beat well, which I think probably means to like make it smooth. I don't know for sure, but that's what my understanding of the word beat well means. Okay, and now we're going to combine flour, cocoa, baking soda, and salt. So we need a cup of flour, first of all. And then we need half a cup of cocoa powder for drinking and baking, it says. So my mom, who is quite good at this, I am not, but she is quite good at this, says that the best way to get black is actually to start with chocolate and then add your black food coloring to it, which is why I decided to do these double chocolate ones instead of just regular like chocolate chip ones, which I have made before and actually know how to make, because this way apparently is the right way to do it, because the chocolate and the black will give you, and the black food coloring will give you a better like black color. Blend into creamed mixture. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in first. Don't eat raw cookie dough, guys. Don't do it. I know I just did it, but don't do it. It's bad. Salmonella and all that. This is our mixture. Time to add the M&Ms. Oh, food coloring. Probably should have done that before I added the M&Ms. I don't know how many drops I should use. Yeah, I don't feel like that did anything. We're gonna call it. We're gonna call it there. In my mind, these look so good, but in real life, they probably aren't going to. Hey, Mom! Do you want to come judge my baking skills? I'm pretty sure I've done it wrong. Well, you know.
I'm gonna roll them and do that. That's all you
That's what I was trying to do.
Alright.
I made them too big. Okay.
You did make them too big. The dough tastes fine.
Oh,
and the consistency is right. So
Oh, I wasn't sure.
don't eat raw cookie dough.
I say eating raw cookie dough.
I was saying, this is a case of
That's what I said earlier.
do as I say.
Saying as I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, so these are gonna go into the oven now for 8 minutes, and we will see if they actually turn out. Mom seems to think I did okay, which makes me feel optimistic.
Oh, this is not food coloring, it's icing.
That would explain it. I didn't think through the fact that if you mix the M&Ms right in, you won't be able to see them. So the fact that I picked through bags of M&Ms for the orange and yellow ones,
Well, it still matter when you bite into them.
is kind of pointless. But they've turned out kind of nice. You can't actually even see it.
It's because they're black.
They're not black. They're brown, because I used icing and not food coloring. Even when you bite into them, you can't see that they're orange.
Yeah, you can. You just have to bite halfway through.
Tastes good though. So I'm gonna call it a win in flavor and a fail in aesthetics.
That's not a fail.
It's a little bit of fail. Anyway, thank you for watching. There will be more spooky season Halloween content coming your way in the next, well, until Halloween. If you like liked it, give me a like, give me a comment, makes my day, it makes me happy, helps me out, and I will see you all next week. Bye!
My hands in the back of your video, so it's like I brought in help.
I did.